Welcome back, everybody. So today we're going to be making paper darts, the classic, and we're going to be making two versions of it, one the original and one maybe the revamped version. So we'll start with the original. So as you can see, I've got an A4 sheet of paper right here. And so the first thing I'm going to do is fold the sheet of paper in half. Just like this. And then I'm just gonna unfold this. And then I'm just gonna fold this down to the middle, so this edge down to the middle crease. So like that, and then like this. And then you just want to fold this edge over so that it meets the middle. And then like that, do that on the other side, like I'm doing. And then fold it in half. And then just fold these edges down to make the wings on both sides, just like that. First side. And then you have your original paper dart. Just like that. You've got your original paper dart. So now we're moving on to the revamped version, so the 2.0 basically. So if I put that to the side, now I'm just gonna grab another sheet of paper. So this is the 2.0. So basically the same thing again. Basically, there's just a few slight differences. Well, to be exact, one slight difference. So like that. And then if you unfold that, you can fold this down. Like this, and then again to the middle, that edge, and that edge to the middle again. Like that. And then last time we folded it inward, this time we're going to be folding it outward. And that's the one difference between both planes. That's the one difference. So just like that. Perfect. So now we have the second plane. So we've got this one, and then we've also got this one. So those are both of the planes. Basically, the difference between them is that this one has like the skeleton on like the top, and this one has the skeleton like on the underside. So you can see the skeleton there. So that's how you make the paper dart. I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, watch it, fold it, fly it. Bye!